In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. Now, whether you're looking to present your data with a cleaner, more polished look, or simply prefer a distraction. Free workspace. Removing grid lines can really make your spreadsheet stand out. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. To begin, open up your Google Sheets document where you want grid lines removed. If you're not there already, go ahead and launch Google Sheets in your preferred web browser. Once your document is displayed, take a moment to assess your spreadsheet. Grid lines can sometimes be quite helpful in organizing data, but today our goal is to remove them for a sleeker, tidier appearance. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen, where you'll find a variety of options for customizing your spreadsheet. Locate and click on the tab labeled View. This menu holds the tools we need to adjust the visual elements of your document. With the View menu open, you'll see several clickable options related to how your spreadsheet is displayed. From here, glide your cursor down to locate the Show sub-menu. Give it a good look. It's typically found near the middle of this menu. Click on Show, and a new set of options will pop up, allowing you to fine-tune what elements are visible in your workspace. At this stage, you should see an option labeled Grid Lines. By default, this option is checked, indicating that grid lines are currently visible on your spreadsheet. To turn them off, simply click on the Grid Lines option. You'll notice that the checkmark disappears, and with it, those faint gray lines vanish from your document, leaving your data looking seamless and uninterrupted. Congratulations! You've successfully removed the grid lines from your Google Sheets document. Notice how your spreadsheet now has a clean, borderless appearance, which can be perfect for presentations or reports where a minimalistic look is desired. If at any point you decide that you'd like the grid lines back, the process is just as simple. Just revisit the View menu, navigate to Show, and click on Grid Lines once again to reinstate them. It's as straightforward as that. Removing grid lines from Google Sheets is a simple yet effective way to enhance the aesthetic of your spreadsheet. Whether you're sprucing up your personal budgeting sheets or preparing a report for work, having control over this feature can be immensely useful. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on how to make the most of your Google Sheets experience. Happy spreadsheeting!